Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Astral Chain on PC. Playing console-exclusive games on your personal computer is possible through a process called emulation. This involves using specialized software to mimic the original console's hardware. To achieve a good experience, you'll need a robust computer system capable of handling the demands of emulation software. For optimal performance, your PC needs strong hardware. We recommend a modern multi-core processor, such as an Intel i5 or AMD Ryzen 5, or better. You'll also want at least 16 gigabytes of RAM to prevent slowdowns. A dedicated graphics card, like an NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon, is absolutely essential for rendering the game smoothly. Once your hardware is ready, you'll need the right software. First, choose a well-regarded Nintendo Switch emulator. You will also need to acquire specific system files, often referred to as firmware and decryption keys, to enable game loading. After installation, carefully configure the emulator's settings to balance visual quality with smooth performance. To get the best experience, optimize your emulator settings. Try adjusting the internal resolution and scaling to match your monitor for sharper images. Experiment with different graphics backends, such as Vulkan or OpenGL, as one may perform better for your system. Regularly updating your graphics drivers and the emulator software itself can also significantly improve performance and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.